Hello, today I am going to tell you a story that has happened to me. Many stories talk about school, shopping, etc. My story is about my Christmas holidays, and while I am presenting it to you, I would like you to stay focused so that you'll be able to figure out the three lines in it. To begin with, it was Christmas holidays and I was watching a movie with my sister and my parents. We had prepared a fire in our fireplace and our living room was pretty warm. Meanwhile, we were baking a pizza in the kitchen. At that moment, I started smelling smoke from the kitchen and I immediately told my mom and my sister. We immediately ran fast into the kitchen. I grabbed a yellow towel and I pulled the burnt pizza out of the oven. Then, with the same black towel, I tried to clean the dirty oven since it was full of smoke. After that, we threw the pizza away and decided to bake some cookies instead of pizza. My sister pulled out the cookie dough and started molding it. When we were finished, we placed them at the counter and waited until they were ready to eat them. While we were watching the movie, I kept an eye on the cookies so they wouldn't get burnt again. I took them out and they came out to be perfect and looking delicious. We took them to the living room and we ate them all. And that is the end of my story. I hope you enjoyed it. Have you spotted the lies? If you have, type them in. My first lie was that at the third slide I said in the beginning about the yellow towel and then I said about the black towel. My second lie was that at the fourth slide I mentioned about placing the cookies at the counter instead of placing them in the oven. And my last lie was that at the fifth slide I put a picture with muffins instead of cookies.